Okay, so let's get started, guys. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about Microsoft SCCM and Intune. It's gonna be an overview session today. We are not going to extend this session more than 45 minutes maximum. So now, first of all, I will discuss about uh, the first of all, I would let you know about myself. My name is Kashif. I am from India, Mumbai. I have somewhere around 30 years of, uh, 13 years of practical IT experience. 13 years, more than 13 years basically of practical IT experience. I uh, have expertise on various technologies, but SCCM and Intune have been my primary focus. I have trained more than 30,000 students globally. Okay, 30,000 students globally. I have expertise on various technologies. I implement SCCM and other technologies for organization. Apart from implementation task, I am involved in classroom training, corporate training, offline training, online training. Okay, so that's about me, guys. Now we are going to discuss about. So first, I'm going to discuss about SCCM, and then I'm gonna talk about Intune. SCCM is a matured product. It started in the year 1994. Okay, it Intune started in the year 2010. Now, SCCM is basically focusing to manage devices on intranet, on premises. Okay, it manages devices on premises devices, right? 1 minute, somebody joining. Okay, so let me use this one because this is little better. So SCCM started in what? 1994. Okay, SCCM manages devices on premises. Okay, point number 3, it manages what? It manages Windows 10, Windows 11 plus Windows Server as well. Server 2016 and greater. Okay, it will manage a Mac computer as well, Mac OS as well. So SCCM is what it is basically to manage devices. It manages Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server, Mac computers, right? Whereas if you talk about Intune, Intune started in the year 2010. Point number 2, it manages devices on the internet. So this is the advantage. Intune is basically going to manage devices on the internet, but SCCM manages devices on the premises. So this is the advantage of Intune. Point number 3, it manages Windows 10, Windows 11, then it will manage Android device as well. Android, it will manage iOS, it will manage Mac computer, it will manage a Linux box, it will manage Chrome OS. These are the operating systems which Intune manages. Okay. However, it does not manage servers. Who manages servers? It is SCCM. Does not manage servers. Okay. Both are doing the same kind of job, but one is doing on premises, the second one is doing on the internet. That is the benefit. Okay. Plus, Intune covers most uh, of the operating system, whereas SCCM focuses only on Windows desktop and servers, and Mac OS. Okay. Now, let's talk about SCCM. SCCM started when 1994 as SMS 1.0. Then 1999, they released another version as SMS 2.0. Then in the year 2003, they released SMS 2003. 2003 means in the year 2003. SMS means what? System management server. Okay. System management server. In the year 2007, they changed the name from SMS to SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager 2007. Okay. SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager. Then in the year 2012, they released, sorry, they released SCCM 2012. Then in the year 2015, they released SCCM 1511. So from here, they started releasing SCCM 3 times a year. So in the year 2016, they released 3 versions. Uh, 2000, it is 1602, 1606, and 1610. In the year 2017, they released another 3 versions like 1702, 1706, and 1710. In the year 2018, they released another 3 versions like 1802, 1806, and 1810. Then in the year 2019, they changed the name. So in the year 2019, they have released 1902, 1906, and 1910. So from here, they changed the name from SCCM to MECM. So previously we used to call it as SCCM. Now we started calling it as MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. That started from October 2019. In the year 2020, they released 2002, 2006, and 2010. In the year 2021, they released 2102, 2106, and 2110. Okay. Then in the year 2022, they released 3 versions. Every year they are releasing 3 versions like 2202, 2206, and 2210. Now from 2023, they are now focusing, they are now releasing only 2 versions. per every year 2 versions, every 6 months. So they are not releasing thrice a year, now twice a year. So in the year 2023, they have released 2303 in the month of March and 2309. So this is the version which is greatest and latest and greatest version. Okay, SCCM latest and greatest version, and that is MECM, not SCCM, MECM 2309. So previously the first name was SMS, System Management Server, second name SCCM, and third name is MECM. So this started in 1994, this started in 2007, and this started in 2019. So this is the latest name of the same product. Over the period of time, they kept on changing the name: SMS, System Management Server, SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager, and Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. So that is SCCM. Are you guys still with me? Can anyone confirm?
Yes.
Now, SCCM, we have talked about SCCM. Now Intune. Intune started in year 2010. And they have multiple versions. Every month they are releasing new versions. So I'm not going to write every month's release. Now the latest and greatest version is 2401. 24 means 2024 and 01 is January. So this is the latest and greatest version of Intune. So Intune 2401. That's the latest and greatest version at the moment. Okay. Now, which one is better now? Is SCCM is better or is Intune better? Which one is better? Okay. So if you ask me, I teach both of them, guys. SCCM and Intune, I teach both of them. It all depends on you. Which one would you like to study? But if you ask me, I will go for Intune. Why? I will tell you. So why Intune? What is the reason behind Intune? Why I would like you to take Intune? Because it's a matured product. SCCM is also matured product. SCCM is even more matured than this one. But I will tell you the reason. Matured product. It is there for the past 14 years, right? 2010 it was released, right? So from 2010 it is 2024 now. So it's a matured product. Point number two, it is found in almost all big size and medium size organization. Big size and medium size organization. So you will find this everywhere. Okay. You will be able to find this one everywhere, whether you go to big size or medium size. Point number three, it has good vacancies than SCCM. Good vacancies. Okay. So more vacancies than SCCM. Okay. More vacancies than SCCM now. After COVID-19, Intune has really picked up and it is to be found in almost all big size and medium size organization. Point number four, good salary. You can expect a salary of 50 USD, 50 US dollar per hour. If you are in US, Canada, Australia, outside India, you will expect a salary of $50 per hour. If you are in India, then average salary is going to be 800,000 rupees per year, INR, Indian rupees. Average salary. These are average salaries, guys. Okay. So it has a good salary range. Then point number 5, um, easier than SCCM. You can learn this one easily than SCCM because SCCM is little tough. You will have to set up everything, you have to install everything, you have to install database, SCCM server, the domain controller and everything. However, Intune is completely designed by Microsoft. You don't have to do anything. Intune is um, easy to learn. Okay, easy to learn and manage. So you can easily manage devices and you can easily learn this technology. Point number 7, no programming languages. You don't have any programming languages to learn. Okay, no coding, no C, C++, Python, nothing. Okay, you don't have to learn all those programming languages. Good future than SCCM. Why? Because SCCM is already down. People are not looking for SCCM now. People are looking for Intune administrator. So good future than SCCM. Why? Because it manages devices on the internet. So manages devices from anywhere. You in SCCM world, what happens? You need to ask user to come to the office and connect your device to the office premises network. Then only you can manage devices. You can only deploy policies and applications and other updates and all. But in Intune devices, no matter where the device is located, it has to have internet connection. That's it. It will receive the policy. Okay. So it manages devices from anywhere. So these are the factors why you should learn Intune than SCCM. It's a matured product, right? It is to be found in almost all big size organization and medium size organization. It has good vacancies than SCCM, good salary, 50 US dollar per hour, 800,000 Indian rupees per year, average salary, easier than SCCM, right? Easy to learn, no programming languages, good future than SCCM, manages devices from anywhere. Point number 10, you can take exam as well. So you can take exam and get certified. For SCCM, you don't have that one. I'll show you which exam you need to take to become Intune administrator. Okay. The MD 102 exam you have to take. This is the one, MD 102, and you become endpoint administrator certified. Okay. The cost of this exam is 160 USD. If you are in US, if you are in India, then it is around 4,800 Indian rupees. Okay. So easy to learn. You can become certified by taking this exam. For SCCM, you don't have any exam. Okay. No more exam is there for SCCM. Microsoft has retired all the previous exams. They are expired now. Okay. Now we will do, when we go in the training, we will do lab setup. So how we will do lab? So either you do the local lab or you can do lab on cloud. Either you do it on Azure Cloud Data Center or AWS or Google Cloud or any other cloud. You can create your lab, uh, either local or cloud. So you need to have, for local, you need to have minimum configuration 8 GB RAM. You need to have minimum 8 GB RAM. Then quad core processor. Then minimum 100 GB free hard disk space. So for local lab, you need to have these configuration, minimum configuration. Then you can create your local lab. So what will you do with this one? You have to just create one Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine, virtual machine, and then you can manage that through Intune. Now for cloud, you need to have uh, a computer with internet connection. So you just have to have one computer with internet connection, no matter whatever the configuration you have. Okay, you need just one simple computer. Okay, clear? All good, guys? Now, what all things you will learn in Intune, that I will show you, or SCCM. I have a the course content. So Intune course content. So these are the course outlines. Okay, course curriculum. So we will start from scratch. Okay, we will start from introduction to Intune, then Intune versus SCCM, then Intune Lab, introduction to Azure, Azure Console and all. So we will be completing all these things. Okay. Similarly, we have course content for SCCM as well. Now, if you would like to take this Intune session, how many days it will take to finish all the topics, the schedule. Let's talk about the schedule. So since we are doing weekend session, right? I do weekday session as well. I am not talking about weekdays now. Now weekend. So 6 weekends required. 6 weekends. That means 12 days, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So we will do 2.5 hour session on Saturday and Sunday. So 2.5 hour session on Saturday, 2.5 hour session on Sunday. Both days we will do 2.5 hour session. So 5 hours a weekend. Okay, Saturday and Sunday. How many days it will take to finish? Yeah, 6 weekends. Now the time is 2:30 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. We will start 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay. Session will get recorded. Okay. Each sessions are recorded. And where you will get the recording? You will get the recording after each session on your WhatsApp group. Okay. I will share the recording after. Okay. After each session, you will get the recording. Then you will get the course completion certificate. Course completion certificate. I will give you assignments, real-time assignment. So I will be asking you to create, suppose, do some assignments so that I will verify whether you guys have completed the assignment or not. Okay. Any question? All good, guys? Hmm? Venkata, Mondela, Sudhakar, Madhusula, Drone, Gopal, Jathu. You guys
Uh,
can hear me? Hmm.
Kasif, one question. Do we cover any interview aspect also?
I will share the interview question and answer. You can
Okay,
go through that one.
got it. Yeah.
So you will get course material. Yeah, you will get what? Course material. Study material, basically. If you would like to study. Okay. So it's a 6 weekend session. On Saturday, 2.5 hour session. Sunday, 2.5 hour session. 2:30 p.m. India time. We will start on Saturday. On Saturday and Sunday, we will do 2:30 p.m. India time. Each sessions are recorded. Recording will be shared after the training of each session. A course completion certificate you are gonna get. You need to complete the assignment and you will get course study material. Okay. Any question from anyone? Hmm?
Kashif, I had a question. Hello,
Yeah,
could you hear me?
I can.
Yeah, I had a question about assignments real time. Are we going to get the assignments in a group or individuals?
I will give you the assignment. You have to share the assignment on the WhatsApp group after completing that.
Yeah, like I got the point, but what my question is, the assignments we are going to do it in real time, like
Your
assignments, right?
voice is not
So,
coming properly. Assignment I will give you, you have to complete on your computer, and then next day I will verify whether you have completed properly or not. In case if not, then I will rectify that one. Okay, your voice is not coming properly. Hello?
yeah, could you hear me now?
Yeah,
Yeah, what my question is like, is it the individual assignments or group assignments all together we need to
it
do
will
it
be a
or the
group assignment.
okay. Yeah,
I
thank you.
mean, it will be individual assignment,
Mm-hmm.
not
Mm-hmm.
group assignment, but you have to share it on the group. So each one of you
Yeah,
will
yeah,
have to perform the assignment. Okay,
yeah.
complete the
Okay.
assignment. Okay, any other question from anyone? So after this training, if you guys are interested to take this exam, you can attend this exam and become certified endpoint administrator. And I will guide you how to take this exam so that you don't fail. Okay. So I see some people are joining late, like Jathu and Umer. Can you introduce yourself? Tell me about your background, your IT experience, your expectation from this training.
Hi, sorry, my name is Jadu. Sorry, I miscalculated the name and not time. I'm joining from UK. Uh, because summertime and winter times are different, so I thought it's 4.5 hours. That's why I'm half an hour late. I'm currently working in an MSP as an IT support engineer. I do use Intunes, but it's from the trading knowledge, so I need proper training. That's the reason I'm joining this course.
So you're looking for Intune specifically, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Umer, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, so my name's Amir, same as the previous guy. From the UK, working support for a service provider, but it's just I see the posts state WhatsApp status with the SCCM and Intune training, and obviously a lot of services here are migrating over to cloud-based services. So it's something that I, because obviously the timings are very different, and I've just noticed that today the timing was so that it's on a weekend, so I'm able to join it. Otherwise, usually you have morning sessions in the weekdays, which is really early in the Indian time, which obviously we can't join. So that's why I've joined today, just to see what's what can be offered, and obviously try to um, see if I can basically have some sort of a tailored package on the weekends so that I can get some proper training. Because ideally, would like to do some certificates because it's more credible when you have a certificate to show that you can manage SCCM and Intune.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you are looking for a SCCM or Intune training, which one?
Intune more because everything is mobile. Well, everything, especially with
Mm,
Windows 11, it's more
mm,
Intune based than SCCM. So
mm,
the current climate here is in the next year or two, everybody's going to start migrating over to Windows 11,
mm,
and that's more managed by an Intune than it is the SCCM deployments.
mm-hmm. Right. So you are right. So I was checking, since I started this the demo session, I have given information about SCCM and Intune together. I think you had some problem in joining to the session. In this session, I discuss about SCCM and the advantages of Intune over SCCM, right? Why Intune is better than SCCM, right? And most of you guys are looking for Intune training, hopefully. Anybody here for SCCM training? Sudhakar, Venkata, Madhusula, Gopal, Ron. Hmm?
Sorry, I didn't introduce myself. This is Gopal. Um, currently working as an IT consultant in Germany. I have quite some experience with imaging. So currently, everything is moving from SSM to Intune. So I would like to understand more Intune and design perspective, implementation perspective. So I'm more into checking on Intune and the services migrations, right, from SSM to Intune. A part of it also. Yeah.
Okay. You are looking for Intune training, Gopal, Jatu, and
Yeah.
Umer. Madhusula, Venkata, Sudhakar. Can you guys let me know? Are you guys looking for SC? Okay, yes. Sudhakar, you are looking for SCCM. Venkata is for Intune. Now, Sudhakar, can you tell me what is the reason behind taking SCCM class? Is it like you have SCCM, you are already working on SCCM and you need more knowledge on SCCM, or you are looking for SCCM administrator job? Hmm. Okay, so I am not hearing anything from Sudhakar. I don't know what is the problem. So looks like everyone else looking for Intune training. Okay, so I have already explained why Intune is better than SCCM now. Okay, Intune for me, as I know in our organization, they will soon move from Windows 10 to Windows 11, and they will think to manage. Okay, that is drone. Okay, fine. So drone is also looking for Intune training. So my plan was to start uh, the session either SCCM or Intune based on the head counts. So looks like the most of you, I mean all of you guys are looking for Intune except Sudhakar. So I will be starting Intune session tomorrow 2:30 India time. So if you guys are interested to join in, okay, you will have to enroll to this course. So basically, what you have to do, you need to um, this is my WhatsApp number, or you can call on this number or send me a WhatsApp message. WhatsApp will be better. I prefer WhatsApp rather than calling. So you can call or WhatsApp on this number so that I can let you know the enrollment details, how you can enroll to this course so that we can start tomorrow, okay, 2:30 p.m. India time, IST, 2:30 p.m. tomorrow. So tomorrow we will do the session. That will be the day one session. Today we just did the overview session, like a demo session today. Tomorrow will be the day one session wherein I will be explaining about Intune and why Intune is uh, needed, what are all features and functionalities of Intune. So we'll be starting Intune from tomorrow onwards at 2:30 India time. So those who are interested, you need to first enroll to this course, make payment, and I will add you to the class WhatsApp group, and I will be sharing the materials, course outline, plus the videos every day. Not every day, I mean Saturday and Sunday we will do the session, and after each Saturday and Sunday you will receive the recording on your WhatsApp group. Okay, guys, any question from anyone before we wrap it up?
Sorry, just wanted to ask a question. So, how long is the course? How long does it go on for? And is it going to
Okay.
be just weekends then?
Yeah, so we have discussed about this already, but I'm gonna show you again. 6 weekends required.
Okay.
Sorry, weekend. So 12 days needed. Okay, 2.5 hour session on Saturday, 2:30 on Saturday, and 2:30 on Sunday. 5 hours a weekend we will do. Theory plus practical. Okay.
Yep.
I will also share the course video, the recorded videos. I mean, today's recording, so that those who miss the class, um, like Umair and Jathu, you guys can go through the recording. Yes.
Yeah, that would be best. Yeah.
Yeah, Kashif, just a small doubt. Before tomorrow's class, do we need to set up anything before
No,
that?
nothing. Nothing. I will guide you everything, how you need to proceed. Each and every step I will be taking you through step by step, so don't worry about it. Before the class, the only thing is you need to do the enrollment, and you have to have good computer connectivity, I mean good internet connectivity and a microphone, so that you can. So you see, we have some issues with Sudhakar and Ron. So those guys do not have a proper microphone. So you need to have good microphone connection and internet connection, so that we can uh, do the two-way communication properly. Okay. Now, Sudhakar, I will let you know for SCCM session. Okay. When we will do the SCCM session. Give me few hours. I will reply you on WhatsApp. Any question before we wrap it up? Venkata, Bondela, Madhusola, Gopal,
I'm good, thanks.
Jathu, Drone, Umair.
Sorry, just
No,
one
I'm
question.
okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Next, the 4th and the 5th, I've got 3rd and the 4th. I'm just doing another training. It's just 2 days training for license. But is it okay?
Is it like on the same time or different time?
Yeah, it's full 8 hours.
Full day
8
training. Oh,
day
okay.
training. But
Then
even if I miss it, you're gonna send out the recording anyway, isn't it? So I can go
yes.
through the. You'll be fine.
Yes, recording, you
Yeah.
will get the recording, but you
Okay.
have to complete the practical
Yeah.
before the next weekend, so that you are on the same page.
Yeah. Yeah. No problem.
Okay, guys. So those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, you can reach me on this number, and I will guide you the enrollment method and the payment details, so that you can continue from tomorrow. Okay, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining the
Thank
session.
you.
I hope the session was informative. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye now.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.